Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. April 2025 Visa Bulletin Major EB-5 retrogression for China and India, modest progress in other categories. The United States Department of State has released the April 2025 Visa Bulletin, bringing major changes to employment-based visa categories. While there is modest progress for EB-1, EB-2, and EB-3 applicants, a sharp retrogression in the EB-5 category for China and India has created new challenges. Additionally, the EB-4 category has reached its annual limit, leaving it unavailable for the rest of the fiscal year. The United States Department of State has officially released the April 2025 Visa Bulletin, outlining critical changes in employment-based immigrant visa categories, particularly impacting individuals from China and India. The most significant development in this video is the sharp retrogression of EB-5 applicants from China and India, with the final action date for China moving back by approximately 2.5 years and India retrogressing by over 2 years. However, there's a slight positive shift for other employment-based categories, bringing hope to certain applicants. Additionally, USCIS has announced that it will honor final action dates for filing adjustment of status applications under employment-based categories. This means that foreign nationals with priority date earlier than the final action date listed in the April Bulletin will be eligible to file their adjustment of status applications. Major highlights of the April 2025 Visa Bulletin. The Visa Bulletin released for April 2025 reveals key changes and retrogression in the employment-based visa categories: EB-1, EB-2, EB-3, EB-4, and EB-5. Below are the most noteworthy changes. EB-5 Investor Visa Retrogression. China will face a retrogression of approximately 2.5 years, setting the new final action date to January 22, 2014. India will experience a retrogression of over 2 years, moving the final action date to November 1, 2019. EB-2 Advanced Degree Professionals. India's final action date will advance by 1 month to January 1, 2013. China's final action date will advance by nearly 5 months to October 1, 2020. EB-3 Professionals and Skilled Workers. India will advance by 2 months to April 1, 2013. China will advance by 3 months to November 1, 2020. EB-4 Special Immigrants. The EB-4 category is now declared unavailable as the annual visa limit for FI 2025 has already been reached. USCIS filing date acceptance. USCIS will follow final action dates, allowing individuals with priority dates earlier than the listed dates to file for adjustment of status. A closer look at each employment-based category. 1. EB-1 Priority Workers. Modest movement. The EB-1 First Employment-Based Preference category, which typically includes highly skilled individuals, researchers, outstanding professors, and multinational executives, has witnessed minimal movement for April 2025. India. The final action date advanced by 2 weeks to February 15, 2022. China. The final action date remained unchanged at November 8, 2022. All other countries continue to remain current, allowing immediate processing of applications. 2. EB-2 Advanced Degree Professionals. Noticeable progress. The EB-2 category, which include professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional ability, has shown slight progress, especially for India and China. India. The final action date advanced by 1 month, shifting from December 1, 2012 to January 1, 2013. China witnessed a significant jump of nearly 5 months, advancing from May 1, 2020 to October 1, 2020. All other countries advanced by 5 weeks, setting the new final action date to June 22, 2023. This advancement is encouraging for EB-2 applicants, especially from China, as it reflects a faster processing time and a potential decrease in backlog. 3. EB-3 Professionals and Skilled Workers. Moderate movement. The EB-3 category, mainly reserved for skilled workers, professionals, and other workers, has shown steady progression for April 2025. India advanced by 2 months, setting the new final action date to April 1, 2013. China moved forward by 3 months, setting the new final action date to November 1st, 2020. All other countries advanced by 1 month to January 1st, 2023. The consistent forward movement in this category indicates the government's effort to clear pending backlogs while ensuring balanced visa allocations. For EB-4 special immigrants, completely unavailable. In a significant setback, the EB-4 category, reserved for religious workers, certain special immigrants, and juveniles, has now become unavailable. The State Department confirmed that the annual limit for EB-4 visas for FI 2025 has already been exhausted as of February 28, 2025. No new immigrant visas or adjustment of status applications will be approved under EB-4 until the new fiscal year starting October 1st, 2025. This development has greatly impacted religious workers, international broadcasters, and certain special immigrant categories. 5. EB-5 investor visa. Sharp retrogression for China and India. One of the most notable changes in the April 2025 visa bulletin is the massive retrogression in the EB-5 unreserved investor visa category. China. The final action date moved backwards by approximately 2.5 years, now set at January 22, 2014. India. Retrogressed by over 2 years, setting the final action date at November 1st, 2019. All other countries will remain current, meaning no waiting period for applicants from other countries. The primary reason for retrogression is a surge in demand for EB-5 visas from China and India, prompting the State Department to limit approvals for the remaining fiscal year. USCIS to honor final action dates in April 2025. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services has confirmed that it will use the final action dates chart for accepting adjustment of status applications for April 2025. What does this mean for applicants? Applicants with a priority date earlier than the final action date can submit their applications for adjustment of status. This provides an opportunity for eligible applicants to obtain their green cards without any further delay. However, EB-4 applicants will not be able to file or receive approvals until the next fiscal year begins on October 1st, 2025. Annual limit exhaustion for EB-4. The State Department confirmed that all available visas for the EB-4 category, special immigrants, have been exhausted as of February 28, 2025. No further approvals for EB-4 applicants will be granted until October 1st, 2025, when the new fiscal year begins. Unexpected development affects thousands of applicants waiting for special immigrant visas, especially religious workers and juveniles. Conclusion. The April 2025 Visa Bulletin presents a mixed outcome for employment-based visa applicants. While EB-1, EB-2, and EB-3 categories witness modest advancements, the sharp retrogression in the EB-5 category for China and India has created new hurdles for investors. Furthermore, the complete unavailability of EB-4 visas until the next fiscal year has disappointed several special immigrants and religious workers. Nonetheless, applicants with early priority dates are encouraged to file their adjustment of status applications promptly to avoid further delays. The April Visa Bulletin underscores the importance of staying informed about processing dates, particularly for countries like India and China, where demand remains consistently high. Applicants should regularly monitor the USCIS website for updates and submission windows. Although the EB-5 retrogression and EB-4 unavailability may delay the process for many applicants, the advancement in EB-1, EB-2, and EB-3 categories provides hope for those with early priority dates. Applicants should act quickly to file their adjustment of status applications if eligible, as further changes may occur in upcoming months.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you are doing great. April 2025 Visa Bulletin measured EB-5 retrogression for China and India, modest progress in other categories. The United States Department of State has released the April 2025 Visa Bulletin, bringing major changes in the employment-based immigrants visa categories, especially for applicants from China and India. The most significant development is the sharp retrogression in the EB-5 category. The final action date for China has retrogressed by approximately 2.5 years to January 22, 2014, while India's final action date has a retrogressed by over 2 years to November 1st, 2019. This retrogression is due to increased demand and usage of visa numbers causing delays in the processing. In the EB-2 Advanced Degree Professionals category, India saw modest advancement of 1 month with the final action date moving to January 1st, 2030. China experienced a more substantial advancement of nearly 5 months, pushing its final action date to October 1st, 2025. Meanwhile, all other countries in this category advanced by 5 weeks to June 22nd, 2023. The EB-3 Professionals and Skilled Workers category also saw moderate advancement. The final action date for India advanced by 2 months to April 1st, 2030, while China advanced by 3 months to November 1st, 2020. Other countries advanced by 1 month to January 1st, 2023. This video indicates an attempt to reduce backlogs. However, a major setback occurred in the EB-4 Special Immigrants category, which became unavailable for all countries as the annual visa limit for FY 2025 was reached by February 28, 2025. No further applications or approval will be processed under this category until the next fiscal year beginning October 1st, 2025. USCIS has confirmed that it will honor final action dates for accepting adjustment of status application in APEC. This video means that foreign nationals with priority dates earlier than the listed final action dates can submit their adjustment of status application. This video provides a window of opportunity for eligible applicants to move forward with a green card process. The sharp retrogression in EB-5 visas for China and India and the complete unavailability of EB-4 visas have created uncertainty, but the moderate progress in EB-1, EB-2 and EB-3 categories offers some hope for applicants with early priority dates.